university students and then kabo be come first year you know be into school fees free ye dey mamu free no ye maka ye kai Ghana for no
mama akwaba wo frame Addo setting mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news. Ebusnafo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the new president-elect, Ghanaian president. Abra oya campaign no, oshebo. Na ebona His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, eshe no, oshe sa bonu because of free SHS inti. Ena oshe sa ebonu because yeba beto abado. Na miankasa meti heide. The amount for keka say, NDC full winning just to save Ghana no. Which is me no omo kasane ya we prophet no omo prophesizes NPP be winning no omo mboa o omo prophesizing omo hu ne clear but nyame no nim ne eye no ye mane mba Ghana fo no ye ma ye kezige na ya hye because omo winning mpo mo hwe na ekoso wo hye police station na wo kotu ebi mu fro mo adwum na wo gigi keys toilet keys na de is a wo de ho kra wo ti ase enti no menya surprise NDC for winning NPP for away because you to abewie yi obi ene so atena ase obi ene so ase yada na yaso da na yaso we na ba na yato awie ho no winning just say okasa NDC for ba na say just say we don't think mothers nyame frifra ye di na drawing campaign na omo ye no Ghana fo nyina na NPP fo ni so be winning because ama for people were saying say because of free SHS intino NPP must continue the governance. Nti yehu de ya NDC for win ya battery me mentiase NDC for do kwa wantiase won ko no mi se won win wantiase otiase nti free SHS ni enam so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is your president then former president edigina so se mo se free SHS no because na Ghana for keka say enya de NDC for beto aso NDC for ye beto aso asanso amamu free tertiary no first e friend say omo enter first no omo no school fees first entrance for no school fees just a pressure and this for this share sabon na wo buy kura me hu so ma aka wasa na Ghana for chese papa in this free transition ne course do ye na enimo budget na His Excellency the former president na Addo Akufo de o parliament house no we je this full scale free tertiary your friend is first year for no more kind no we implement it and yes sir this country cannot contain both of us and now Ghana it can never contain His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Calvin Taylor and NDC phone can because we are going to talk your boss must say Muntu me kan che and say Ghana for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is going to deal with difficult Ghanaians nso onye de obetumi and mo boada onye do betumi nde onye do betumi ochena onye ni na pepepe because on himself 4 years fe na aka no de beji amembo do ene ka mudo be fufu kra ba na yenim se nipa no okọ 8 years nke beji atu na 4 years ene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so ni speech on the mind almost when in ena omini ade chen speech on man perfect yenim say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama experienced your friend is president because he has been president before and wasan so aba intino amembo ekoko ti ndis fo na mugina echi na mo commentary na mo to mo ba eba park national day mo be no the team case His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is going to deliver, he's going to do it, and we know he will do it or promise say major policy 24-hour economy yeah train tertiary for first year no better school fees we are waiting for it and the new this for kind mo be
on the government on the NDC ye mama fo hu omo ne mo ye enye ni nya sa internal bickering ntokwa nkete ya kokozo within the party na moa we should all come together and fight the NDC semre du ni ye internal election na sa accountant begina na hu accountant say is not worth you got to tia no na to mo obi a you think say nipa no be boa ba eniema bebre ni ntokwa ye bia ye twantro to we so yes we are say na focus I say and we are say o wa ina ye say in the end, NDC will keep all these things and come and play it back to us. Elections need to they are not ready for 2, you know. So let's be united. Let's pinpoint said the workers also about the cocoa because it's 10 million. Yemma Ghana phone to say the about say university students and then Kaboba come first year, you know, be into school fees. Free, yeah, free, no. Yemma Ghana phone no move the Doma catch say first year student, no. Busku na mobile kono free.
No, so no omasa kan wasem
say any free. Why no mo say dey bia me dey maintain.
No say any free sir. Say omoba there be student trust no be
loan.
Enti sika no enye sika de bechew. Okwa kwa Jeffrey student loan mu. Na eche watu.
Enye sa no kan no.
Enye sa no kan no why ne.
The chief one said the omu cheche mu sisi ano.
So my fan ko na omu cheche mu sa ho. Look, near eye good ni say university for no they are here to Europe in remember. It was 27 for.
When
the Kufado promised free SHS. And my idea for nani sheni say on the 7th amount for starting say hey demanding. And within January born in ministers we have
September na.
Look, by June no implementing free SHS. One ma any excuse be. But that time one mismanage economy to a point to say but was able to implement it. Where the same thing happening. I say law of karma. Nia obey bia na no ana obetwa. Won say Nyankopon adom no so akoma promise ah. Time we do so. We first year for nkoye. We expect nothing. But say first year for mbeko free or time na de no de ko. Na say one to me anye sa de a. We are waiting for them. We no excuse bia. Look, we are talking about economy. President Ejao gross international reserve of about 8 billion. 8 billion. In the energy sector, we started saying now, ye ni sika ye de koye you kra. E chamu ba am say here the $98 million. And ye de ato or ye to power the terminal this year. 90 nipa woja gross international reserve of 8 billion. Where ye sika? What the percentage? And we even you kra. And chamu ni excuse bia. Say if you want to say sikani bi na obeyi and I would bet to energy so be it because we jaw big reserve. Any other places in nice say because let it go. Omu need reasons to be a one also be more free SHS university. Go and bring some of the money and let them go free. Anything short of that. Over to us Ombati enka.
Mohammed's first 120 days social contract with Ghanaians.
No.
Oko point 10. Or say implement the no academic fee policy for all first year students in public tertiary institutions, universities, colleges of education, nursing trainees, and etc. Enti uhe John Dramani Mahama first 120 days policy now. First years no and only universities so point 10 any point 10 any is a camera we are point 10 and our point 10 any 120 social contract point 10 and no or why any bianca otwi na bi obi a onte brofo no wate ase aman John Mahama say so when ya the first 120 days social contract on Ghana for ne say what the no fee no academic fee policy ebema first year students ebeko all public tertiary university teacher trainee omomuko teacher trainee nursing trainee any all public tertiary institutions ebeye free and to level 100 in here for nursing training okwa emphasize bia o de ohia ne say obeto gari no actor kiko gari no apa wadua no umilo a obeye na ko school mu ya fa o ya nya fa o untu school fees go jo Muhammad e clear e point 10 e wo mu social contract policy a omo de bae enu de yesre wo mo osan say obesa introduce free tertiary education ama people with disability. Again, Ghana Care Trust Fund and so Mahama Care Fund and also be my nuanuma omo disabled. And the area disabled say they only have insurance card. Now I no corner bros so Mahama e create sa we o wa and also e be free.